Good people, today I want us to look at HTML favicon. A favicon basically is a small image displayed next to the page title in the browser's tab. It is displayed to the left of the page title in the browser's tab. For example, in this case, I'm on w3schools.com website. If you look at the left of the browser's title, you will see there's a very small image, green in colored. I think is the color for W3 schools, and this is what is called the favicon. How do you create a favicon for your website? There are many ways of creating favicon for your website. On my case, I use a website that's favicon-generator.org. If you go to this page, you will be told generate your own favicon icon. You will be required to upload an image. Choose an image from your computer. After you have chosen your image, you will click create favicon icon. Then once you have done like that, you can be able to download the generated favicon icon. It will be saved in your computer, the downloads page. This will be a zipped file. Right click on it, extract, open the extracted folder. Then you will see several images, several favicon that are generated depending on the kind of platform that you're developing application for. For instance, this is HTML. I want to be displayed on my HTML browser. So this is the favicon that I have used or that I have created from this website. So this is how you can use this favicon-generator.org to create your own favicon for your website. Good people, for you to add favicon to your HTML web page, you use the link element. Link element is also an example of a void element. You give it the attribute of rel and give it the value of icon. Then href attribute favicon.icon, give it type of image /x -icon. So this favicon.icon is the name of the favicon that we generated from the previous website, and I've ensured that I have placed this image in the same folder as my index.html. If you place it in another folder, just ensure that you give the link to the correct path. But one thing that I have discovered with HTML5, so long as you have placed that favicon in the same folder as your index.html file, you don't have to define it. You don't have to define its link or its path on the head element. It's automatically displayed. For example, for my case, I have not defined the path to my favicon, but since I've placed it in the same folder as my index.html and have given it the name favicon.icon, look at this name, favicon.icon. So my HTML document will automatically display it on the titles bar.